Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on BigBear.ai just several days ago, to be precise on October the 3rd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $7.27 and $7.4 at pre-market hours. And my main assumption at this very point that as long as this bottom holds of about 6.4 or $6.3, we have all the chances to hit $9.35 as the price target. But guys, this journey will not be the straight movement to the upside as I showed you in this white arrow. It should be some kind of ups and downs, and then it has potentially it has to have this price target as the main mid-term price target. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point at $7.4 somewhere here mark. Then we had this retracement and we hit a little bit higher target, and again we have a bounce to the upside. You can see that we have a clear structure exactly as I predicted, but we don't have a huge breakthrough to our main goal. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, for now, you can join my Patreon account. You can join two tiers of my Discord group. One of them costs you $50 a month, and you will have 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call once a month. But if you join with the gold tier, you will have a weekly one-on-one training session with me for just $150 a month. And guys, to be honest, this is the most popular tier for my patrons right now. And let me show you a sneak peek on the most recent activity in the Discord group. Just recently, I published the recap of the week of July 28th through August the 3rd. And let me quote you this. On Monday, I prepared a list of 13 tickers that looked most promising for short positions. As of August the 6th, 10 of them delivered returns ranging from 0.33% to 24.4%, an average profit of 6.1%, while only 3 tickers showed a potential loss between 0.85% and 1.74%, an average loss of 1.22%. More detailed information is available in the attached images. And you can see that I made this call on July 28th, and I wrote, here's a list of tickers that might present shorting opportunities. Please remember, this is not a blind trade signal. Further technical analysis is required before taking actions. And here is the list of the tickers that gained substantial profits. It is 10 of them, and only 3 went in completely opposite direction. I also gave a direct short scalping recommendation on Tesla and Oracle. Both brought an average profit of around 1.5%. In addition, I identified one ticker suitable for a medium-term short position. If you'd like to know which company that is, join my Patreon. As usual, I provided a detailed market overview and analyzed the following tickers: SPY, BBAI, NOV, UNP, NEO, UAA, and CRWV. So guys, if you want to be a part of this amazing community, join my Patreon.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you crucial points for this asset. I will show you at what structural pattern we are now with this asset, and what main catalyst might be applicable to its next leg to the upside. So, and let's start with the general sentiment related to BigBear.ai stock. To identify this sentiment, just type in Google search bar BBAI stock and switch to new stuff folder. You will see several most recent news, and guys, this news grabs my attention because it is pretty much the summary of its most recent actions from the fundamental standpoint. And it was posted just less than 2 days ago, and it is titled BigBear.ai Holdings Opinions on Unitas 2025 Defense AI Partnership. Let me quote you just a couple of paragraphs, and let me show you the detailed analysis on this its most recent pros and cons. So Recent discussions on X about BigBear.ai have been buzzing with activity largely driven by a company's announcement of a high-profile partnership with the US Navy for the UNITAS 2025 maritime exercise. Many users are highlighting the potential for growth in the defense AI sector, pointing to the deal as a significant milestone for the company. However, not all feedback on X is uniformly positive, as some voices expresses caution over the stock volatility and past financial misses, including disappointing earnings and revenue figures from earlier reports. And this is two main bullish and bearish catalysts, but we also have some details that might also be a game changer in your decision-making process. So, BigBear.ai Holdings Congressional Stock Trading. I covered this purchase that was made by Lisa C. McLean just several videos ago, and she purchased around up to $50,000 in value. She invested up to $50,000 in this stock at the very beginning of August. She didn't sell this, and this is definitely a good sign when active representative bought certain stocks that she knows potentially about about the upside potential of this company. Next catalyst is not the most bullish one. BigBear.ai Holdings insider trading activity, and these red dots indicate that a lot of insiders sold part of their shares. So they didn't sell the entire stake of their shares, but they let's say cashed out at least part of their stake. And pretty much all of the insiders sold not at the very tops, but at quite high levels overall. But for now, guys, for quite a while they hold pretty strong their positions. And in general, this might be not the most bullish sign, but as you can see, all purchases were made quite a while ago. That is why you cannot rely on this news as the closest catalyst for this stock, closest bearish catalyst for this stock. Let me show you a very good positive catalyst, and it is definitely BigBear.ai Holdings hedge fund activity. And here's some of the largest recent moves. And the majority of these filings are positive. A lot of companies bought a substantial amount of shares of BigBear.ai, and just several of them closed their positions, like AE Industrial Partnership. You can see, and I covered this multiple times, that Vanguard and BlackRock added substantial almost 14.5 million shares and 12.1 million shares respectively, and they hold combined almost $200 million in value in BigBear.ai. And other major investors also added to their position, like Citadel Advisors added more than 420% to its current position. Renaissance Technologies added 243% to their position, and they hold substantial millions of dollars in value in BigBear.ai. And in general, guys, yes, this company might be some kind of light version of Palantir, but it is still might be extremely volatile in upcoming weeks. That is why you have to be cautious, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's zoom out a little bit and let me show you its breakdown on a slightly bigger scale. From this bottom that was established on April 21st of this year, we potentially completed first, second, third, fourth, and this might be a contender of the top of the fifth wave. Let's turn off all the tools. You can see that this asset hit exactly pretty much to the tick this previous swing highs and had a very good reaction. And by the way, guys, I caught the majority of movements and crucial pivotal points for this asset. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So this is option number one. Option number two, that we are we are still forming the top of the fifth wave, and in this case we can break this top in upcoming weeks. And first price target is set at around $9.37, and you can watch my previous video and you can see how I identified this price target. But at the same time, guys, the major price target might be much higher for this asset, because if this is just 1, 2, 3 waves completed, this is the fourth wave, we have to see an extension in the fifth wave. We might see, let's put it this way, an extension in the fifth wave. But in the short-term perspective, let's switch to hourly time frame. In the short-term perspective, guys, we have 5 waves movement to the upside that already completed. And yes, it is not a retracement. It is not a, B, and C to the downside. It is not this case. Wait a second. It is not this one. A, B, and C, because the B wave should have strictly 3 waves in it. But we have clearly, we can clearly identify 5 waves. Let me do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this means, guys, potentially it might land a little bit lower in order to collect more steam and to hit higher targets. And the levels from which this asset might have a trend reversal, well, it can be from this particular point at 0.382. We have very good reaction, but probably it might land at roughly $7 mark, or even $6.8, 0.5 and 0.65 levels, Fib levels respectively. And well, in general, guys, as long as this bottom holds, the price target of $9.37 is still on the table. That is why, guys, regardless of the upcoming volatility, and you have to be very cautious with its potential high, extremely high volatility, this is the actual price target as long as this bottom holds. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life I'm